After logging into your site as an administrator, you will be presented with a page that contains all the options for setting up your store. This video will focus on adding products. Select Product Management from the side menu bar. A large grid under the title Manage Products will be displayed on the right. Any products already entered will be displayed here. To begin to add a product, click the Create button. Here you will enter basic information about your product. After it is created, you will be able to add images, price breaks, and other options. While it is suggested that you enter something into each field, only information displayed in red with an asterisk is required. The product ID can be any unique identifier you like. It is for internal use only at this time. Common usage would be a SKU, UPC, or your own internal number. While product ID is not a required field, if you intend to give the same name to different products, for example, polo shirt, having a product ID will allow you to differentiate between products with the same name. In addition, the product ID field on the Manage Products grid display can be used as a filter, which I will demonstrate later on in this video. Name is required and is the text that your customers will see displayed below the product image. Anything typed in the description text area will be displayed to your customer when they click on the product detail button for that item. This information can be formatted with any of the options you see here. Additionally, there are two spell checker options that can be used to ensure your description contains proper spelling. Hover over any of the formatting option icons for a description of what they do. If you use a word processor, most of the options will be familiar to you. A more in-depth video on formatting will be available on a separate video. The price field shows you the price you are charging your customers for the item. Cost is an internal field and contains the amount you pay for the item. Weight is shown as optional here, but if you plan on charging your customer for shipping based on weight, you must enter something in this field. The field below, Display Weight, allows you the option of displaying the weight to your customers or not. To toggle the setting, click on the button where no text is displayed. This will change the selection from yes to no or no to yes. Minimum order is the smallest increment of your product that a customer can purchase. Another option is the order quantity in multiples of option. In this way, you can enforce purchases in exact multiples. Additionally, the order predefined quantities will display a drop-down option selector of just the quantities you enter here. To add a quantity, click on the text quantity and type in a number. You may continue adding predefined quantities to add to the drop-down list. The feature checkbox can be selected to display the item on your home page. The ability to make an item featured or not can be changed directly in the Manage Products grid. This will be demonstrated later on in this video. The Allow Out of Stock Order checkbox will allow a customer to purchase this item even if the stock level is 0 or below. You have the option of displaying stock levels to your customer by toggling the selector from yes to no or vice versa. The Enabled field toggle gives you the option of displaying the item to your customers or not. Once you have entered your information, simply press the Save button. It will now be added to the Manage Products grid. In the Manage Products grid, you have the option of quickly changing your items from being featured to not being featured by simply toggling the check mark or X with a click. Additional options on the Manage Products grid are the ability to search for items by setting filters. For instance, changing the drop-down box under Enabled will allow you to filter out just the enabled products, which is the default setting, or conversely, not enabled products. Additionally, you can select the blank option, which will show you all products. The textual search boxes for product ID and name will filter out products with any matching text typed in these boxes. For instance, typing a 1 in the search box under product ID will display all products that have a 1 in their product ID. Name works the same way. And you may use any of the search filters alone or in conjunction with other filters to drill down into your products table. Note that currently the price filter does not allow a partial entry search. Only exacting matching pricing will be displayed. Next to each item in the grid is an Edit and Copy button. Click the Edit button to take you back to the item's main screen where you could update the product's information. If many of your items share product configuration settings, you will save a lot of entry time by using the Copy button. Click on the Copy button for an item, and a dialog box will be displayed, which will allow you to choose the option selections to copy. Your new copied item will be added to the bottom of your products grid. Browse to the copy product, which will be identified with the text dash and copy in the name. Select Edit and modify the varied information. To move through your products list, move to the bottom of the grid where a numbered navigation bar is displayed. Click either on a page number or the left and right arrows, respectively, to go back or forward a page. In the upper right-hand corner of the Manage Products grid next to the Create button is an Import Products option. A tutorial on this will be available in a separate video. Your product offerings can be displayed in an even greater configuration by using the Categories, Attributes, and Add-ons option setups. These will be discussed in a later video. Thank you for watching.